Welcome to the top best. The best small bathroom cabinets is probably one of the most crucial elements in maximizing the utility and aesthetic appeal of any compact living space, especially when dealing with the often limited square footage of a bathroom. These cleverly designed storage solutions are engineered to fit seamlessly into tight corners, slide under sinks, or mount directly onto walls, transforming cluttered areas into organized sanctuaries without compromising precious floor space, making them an indispensable addition for anyone looking to enhance both the functionality and visual harmony of their home. Number 5. SPACEKEEPER Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing our slim rolling storage cart, designed to fit perfectly in narrow spaces. With 3 removable shelves, you can customize its capacity to suit your needs, making it ideal for any room in your home. Glide this cart effortlessly on its 360 degrees rotating casters, designed for smooth movement on most floor types. 2 wheels include brakes for added stability, ensuring it stays securely in place when needed. Crafted from waterproof and durable plastic, this cart is built to last, even in humid environments. Its hollow design allows for easy draining and cleaning, ensuring it stays fresh with a simple wipe. This compact cart is perfect for lightweight storage in small spaces like dorms or tight corners. Use the side hooks for extra hanging space and the deep baskets to keep your items secure. Set up your new storage solution in minutes with its tool-free, snap-together assembly. The intuitive design ensures a sturdy build without any loose parts, ready for immediate use. What we like? This rolling cart is perfect for those who need flexible storage. Its slim design allows it to fit into tight spaces, and the removable shelves let you customize the layout. If you need a versatile organizer that can move with you and adapt to different needs, this is a great choice for bathrooms, kitchens, or laundry rooms. What people say. The cabinet is surprisingly spacious inside, offering ample storage for toiletries and cleaning supplies. Its slim profile allows it to fit perfectly into narrow spaces without obstructing walkways. The adjustable shelves are a great feature, making it easy to customize the storage space for different sized items. Number 4. AOJEZOR Freestanding Toilet Paper Holder Stand. Introducing a toilet paper holder designed specifically for apartments and rentals. It keeps your bathroom essentials organized without any need for wall drilling or permanent installation. This freestanding design requires absolutely no drilling, safeguarding your walls and your security deposit. It's the perfect relocation-friendly storage solution for renters. Liberate yourself from drill-related worries and conquer clutter by smartly using vertical space. It transforms your bathroom into an organized sanctuary. This holder features multiple tiers for toilet rolls and other bathroom essentials. The top shelf is perfect for your phone, while the lower tiers store up to 4 large toilet paper rolls and cleaning supplies. Designed for exceptional durability and stability, it perfectly adapts to small bathroom layouts. Maximize your storage capacity and space utilization with this practical organizer. What we like? If you're renting and want to avoid damaging walls or losing your security deposit, this toilet paper holder stand is ideal. It provides essential bathroom storage without any permanent installation. Choose this if you prioritize a drill-free, freestanding solution that maximizes vertical space for toilet paper and other small essentials. What people say. The pieces have these little cuts on the edges, so it's easy to tell front-back, easy to fit them together, and almost impossible to put them on backwards or wrong. You don't have to have any tools. It includes a tiny screwdriver that, while not winning any awards, will suffice to do the job. As for the shelf itself, it's sturdy, not wobbly at all. Feels good quality. The top stands about as tall as the back of the toilet, fits 3 rolls of TP in the bottom cabinet with the door. This little shelf storage unit is perfect for my very small bathrooms. They come with all the panels pre-cut, relatively clear assembly instructions and the screws, even tiny screwdriver. Assembly takes a little time, but once done the shelf looks nice, serves the purpose and seems sturdy enough for the job. Number 3. VASAGLE Freestanding Storage Cabinet UBCB 60WV1. This storage unit offers ample storage without taking up too much room. It's designed to help you maximize your living space effectively. Crafted from durable MDF, this cabinet is built to be sturdy and stable. An included anti-tip kit ensures it remains safe and secure in your home. Customize your storage with 2 adjustable shelves, each offering multiple height options. This allows you to neatly store items of various sizes and keep them protected. Featuring a beautiful cloud white finish and a classic beadboard design, this stylish unit complements any decor. It's perfect for your bathroom, living room, or entryway. Assembly is made simple with clearly labeled parts and straightforward instructions. You'll have this freestanding cabinet set up in no time. What we like? This freestanding cabinet offers a stylish and sturdy storage solution for any room. With adjustable shelves behind doors, you can keep items dust-free and organized. If you're looking for a more permanent, aesthetically pleasing piece of furniture that complements your decor while providing ample storage, this is an excellent option for bathrooms, living rooms, or dining areas. What people say. Took only 35 minutes to assemble, all the hardware was correct, all the parts were right and packaged well, all the holes lined up perfectly, and the doors are also perfectly aligned and closing smoothly without needing any adjustments. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The drawers are the perfect size and fit most of my puppy's belongings, keeping everything organized and easy to access. It's sturdy, well-made, and looks great in the space. This cabinet fits perfectly in the space between my bedroom and bathroom. Don't let the size fool you. The drawers hold plenty of toiletries and the two shelves are big enough to hold my hairdryer and hair straightener plus supplies. Clear instructions and took about 2 hours to put together. Number 2. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Discover how to make the most of every inch in your home. This slim cart is designed to fit perfectly into narrow gaps, transforming unused spaces into organized areas. Its clever tiered design accommodates items of all sizes. The bottom layer is perfect for taller items, while the middle layer holds your daily essentials, ensuring everything has its place. With 360-degree swivel casters, you can effortlessly move this organizer anywhere you need it. Tidy up your home with ease. Set it up in under 10 minutes with no tools required. You can even customize the layout by removing dividers or wheels to create a stationary shelf that perfectly suits your needs. It's lightweight for easy portability but surprisingly strong, with each shelf holding up to 30 pounds. The breathable mesh design prevents water pooling and keeps items dry. Solve storage headaches in any room. Use it in the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or even small spaces like RVs. It's the perfect organizer for toiletries, spices, cleaning supplies, and more. This cart is optimally designed for stability when placed against a wall or between furniture. It's the ideal solution for efficiently utilizing awkward nooks and crannies. What we like? This ultra-slim storage cart is designed to slide into the narrowest of gaps, making it perfect for those awkward spaces. Its tool-free assembly and breathable mesh design are highlights. If you have very tight nooks, like between a toilet and sink or a fridge and wall, and need a lightweight, easy-to-assemble organizer, this cart is your best bet. What people say. It fits good between the toilet and the sink counter. It gives me so much needed storage. It has 3 narrow shelves, the bottom 2 are just perfect to stack a 12-pack of TP. I like that it's on casters so I can wheel it in and out of place to load it up. It also has a few small hooks you can move around as needed. This cart is the kind of product that turns it into instant storage without taking up much room. The biggest selling point is how slim and mobile it is. It fits perfectly between cabinets, next to the washer, or beside a bathroom vanity, places where most storage units just won't work. And because it's on wheels, you can easily slide it out to grab what you need and tuck it right back away. The 3-tier design gives you a nice balance of vertical storage without feeling bulky, and the open shelving makes everything easy to see and access. This cart is the perfect size for what we were looking for. It's all made from plastic so it's not going to carry heavy items, but if you read the description, this product comfortably lives up to what you'd expect. Setting it up was very straightforward and it came with a step-by-step guide. Mine currently has 6 bottles of bleach on, 2 packets of kitchen towel, 4 packets of toilet pods, and it still has some space. It's holding up nicely. Number 1. SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart 4-Tier. Tired of wasted space? This organizer is designed to fit perfectly into narrow gaps, maximizing your vertical storage with its intelligent tiered design. It adapts to fit items of all sizes, making the most of every inch. Need flexibility? Easily switch between a mobile station with smooth rolling casters and a stable, fixed shelving unit. It adapts to your needs, serving as a convenient pantry or a steady bathroom organizer. Keep everything in its place with customizable dividers and thoughtfully designed shelf heights. From large bottles to small jars, everything has its perfect spot, eliminating wasted vertical space. Set it up in minutes with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy moving but built to last, with shelves that can hold significant weight. The unique mesh design also prevents water buildup. Solve storage challenges throughout your home. Use it in the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or even small spaces like RVs. It's the perfect solution for organizing toiletries, spices, cleaning supplies, and more. What we like? This 4-tier slim cart offers more vertical storage and unique dual-mode conversion, allowing it to be mobile or stationary. Its intelligent tier height design and customizable dividers make it highly adaptable. If you need maximum storage in a narrow space and appreciate the flexibility to switch between mobile and fixed use, this is a fantastic choice for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. What people say. It's perfect for a small bathroom where extra storage is needed. It fits my little space between my dryer and wall perfectly. I am so happy I can use this previously wasted space and free up cabinet space for other things. This slim storage cart works really well for that. It slides perfectly between tight areas and gives you extra storage without taking up much room. It's especially useful in smaller bathrooms where space is limited. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.